अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप सब अच्छे होंगे। और आज हम जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट चैप्टर 1। चैप्टर 1 के जो लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो क्या हैं और उनको हम किस तरह से समझेंगे, उसके लिए ब्रीफ एक इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये आप देख सकते हैं। इसको हम देख के आपको मैं बताता हूँ आपको। Learning objectives: at the end of this chapter, the students will be able to learn, understand what is physics, understand the all physical quantities consistent of a numerical magnitude and a unit, recycle the following base quantities and their units: mass, length, time, current, temperature, light of intensity, amount of substance. Describe and use base units, supplementary units, drive units, and base units. Understand the use of these scientific notations. Use the standard prefix and their symbol to indicate decimal, submultiples or multiples to both base and drive units. Understand and use the convention for the indicating units. Understand the distance between systematic errors and random errors. Understand and use the significant figure. Understand the destination. Understand the destination between precision and accuracy. Assess the uncertainty in the derived quantity by simple addition of actual, fractional or percentage uncertainty. Quote answers with the correct scientific notations, number of scientific figures and units in all numerical and practical work. Use of dimensionality to check the homogeneity of physical questions. Derive formulas in simple cases using dimensions. ये थे इस चैप्टर के कॉन्सिक्वेंस जिनको हमने अभी स्टडी किया आपके सामने। और हमने पिछले लेक्चर के अंदर कुछ चीज़ों को हमने डिस्कस किया है, उनमें से कुछ चीज़ों को जो रहती हैं वो मैं आपको अगेन थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। उसमें जो नंबर 1 है वो है समरी। इस चैप्टर की जो समरी है वो क्या है उसको हम अब देखेंगे। उसमें फिज़िक्स इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ इंटायर फिजिकल वर्ल्ड, द मोस्ट बेसिक क्वांटिटीज दैट कैन बी यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द फिजिकल वर्ल्ड are mass, length and time. All other quantities called derived quantities can be described in atoms in terms of some combination of base quantities. The information adopt system of units used by all these scientific and almost all countries of the world in international system SI of system. It's consistent of 7 base unit, 2 supplementary units and a number of derived units. Errors due to incorrect design or collaboration of the measuring device are called kinematic errors. Random errors are due to unknown excess, unknown cases or fluctuation in the quantity being measured. The accuracy of measurement in the extent to which systematic errors make a measured value differ from its true value. The accuracy of a measurement can be indicated by the number of significant figures or by steady uncertainty. The scientific figures or digits in a measured or calculated quantity are those digits that are known to be reasonable, reliable. The results of multiplications or divisions has no more significant figure than any factor in the input data. Round off your calculator result to correct number of digits. In the case of addition, subtractions, the precision of the results can be only as great as the less precious terms added and subtracted. Each basic measurable physics property represented by a specific symbol written with the square brackets is called dimensions. All other physical quantities can be derived as a combination of the basic dimension. ये था चैप्टर 1 की समरी जो हमने डिस्कस की और इस चैप्टर के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थे उसको डिस्कस किया। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जो है हम देखेंगे कि हमारे पास चैप्टर नंबर 2 क्या है, उसके लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या हैं और उसकी समरी क्या है। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।